ChatGPT has a code interpreter. And so, Connor, correct me if I'm wrong, my understanding is that we can ask ChatGPT to essentially write and then run code and then give a response based on the output from that code. Is that right?
It is correct. The only caveat is it's not necessarily ChatGPT. It's like a separate
Oh,
endpoint.
sorry. Yeah.
Under the
OpenAI.
hood, it's the same
Yeah.
model kind of
Right.
thing. It's just a separate, service that they offer. But
Cool.
most
So here's just like a screenshot from Connor's video that he shared about this. So here's a CSV file. You can see it's like a column for each of these different platforms. Facebook, there's a Snapchat one and ordered by month. So this is some company data about numbers related to platforms. And then if we go later, here's results that from when Connor asked. So here's the prompt he sent us, asking when asked a question, write and run code to answer the question, and then asking it to answer which 3 channels should we spend the most marketing spend on based on that CSV. And so our current approach, or prior to this, was we would just like input that CSV as raw text. So just be like comma separated values that don't really mean anything to the model. But with this new approach, it's actually interpreting the CSV and running code against it to get like an accurate number, adding up columns or whatever it needs to do. And it seems like it gave a really awesome response that is using the actual data from the CSV. So very, very cool to see that.
And I want to set also the context of the work here, like what we are feeling here, like Kona put one half a day getting work and get back users good feedback. That's a very fast cycle. And the work we're talking here, it used to take like half a year. For even last year, we will need to scope a few people half a year to do that. However, if we choose the right technology, and there's so many Gen AI technologies that are showing up, and if we are riding on a wave and doing in the right way, we actually can make the feedback loop much faster than before. And kudos, Connor, to be able to identify the code interpreter and shipping to user in such a lightning speed.